What if I told you that your thoughts could be the invisible chain holding you back from success, and that you might be sabotaging your future without even realizing it? In this video, I'll show you how to take control of your mind, break free from limiting beliefs, and unlock the success you've always dreamed of. The power of your thoughts. Your mind is the most powerful tool you own. But here's the catch. It doesn't come with an instruction manual. Think about this. Every thought you have sends signals to your body. Science proves the mind-body connection is real. When you dwell on negative thoughts, you're literally programming your brain to believe in limits that don't exist. But here's the good news. You can rewrite that program. Imagine waking up every day knowing your thoughts are working for you, not against you. 2. Understanding your mindset. The first step, understand what's holding you back. Ask yourself, what beliefs about yourself feel true but are holding you back? Who told you that you couldn't succeed? Now challenge those thoughts with evidence. Let's say you believe, I'm not smart enough to succeed. Look back, haven't you overcome tough situations before? Replace those lies with truths. Say to yourself, I am resourceful, I am capable, I can figure this out. 3. Reprogramming techniques. Now let's talk about how to rewire your brain. Mindfulness. Start observing your thoughts without judgment. When negativity arises, simply notice it and let it pass. Don't let it take root. Visualization. Close your eyes and vividly imagine the life you want. Feel the emotion of success. What does it smell like, look like, taste like? Visualization isn't just daydreaming, it's training your brain to see possibilities. Gratitude. Each day write down 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus away from what's missing and highlights what's abundant. 4. Taking action. Reprogramming your mind isn't enough. You need action. Start by setting realistic goals. Break them down into bite-sized steps that feel achievable. Need help? Seek guidance from mentors or even a therapist. There's no shame in seeking support. It's a strength. And here's a pro tip. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Progress is progress. 5. Sustaining your success. Lastly, success isn't a destination, it's a journey. Keep practicing these techniques daily and don't let setbacks derail you. Life will test you, but remember this. Every challenge is a lesson and every lesson brings you closer to the life you want. When things get tough, revisit your why. Why did you start? Why is success important to you? Anchor yourself in that purpose and keep moving forward. Reprogramming your mind for success isn't easy, but neither is staying stuck. The choice is yours. Start today. Start now. Because the only thing standing between you and your dreams is the story you keep telling yourself. Thank you for watching video. Hit the like button and subscribe for more actionable insights on self-improvement and productivity. Let's grow together.